Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out on the CRF300L today, all by my lonesome. Just out checking out some back roads. I'm over by Red Mountain, and I'm actually enjoying it so much more today because I have this Race Tech spring kit on here. This front suspension, man, it is so much better. I have a Race Tech rear spring, and then I have the Race Tech front spring kit on here for the forks, and man, it is so much better. The biggest thing about this suspension is the not bottoming out. I mean, I like the stock suspension as far as a smooth ride. It's just the bottoming out part. Every time I hit something like this right here, boom, that would have bottomed the front suspension out, that little ditch. This thing, I can just fly right through it. It soaks it up like it wasn't even there. Yeah, you feel it, of course, but you don't feel it as much as you did on the stock because it bottoms out. If the stock don't bottom out, it actually feels good. But this one, it soaks it. Like this is rough right through here. It just eats it up. Eats it up. We see that on the map. Probably just goes up here and turns around or something. There's a campsite. Something, yeah. Just goes up in a ditch. It's a creek coming through there. Wash, I guess you'd call it. Man, I can fly through these rocks like this so much better. Now I'm just purposely hitting them when normally I would purposely try to stay away from them because I didn't want to bottom out my shocks. But it is a beautiful day. It's like super cool right now. What is it, 79? It don't feel that warm. 79, we are at 4,800 feet in elevation. It is just an awesome day to go riding. And no, Randy's not with me. He probably don't want to ride as much as I do. I ride as much as possible. But of course, you know, this channel, this is my living. That's what I do, is make the videos so you guys can watch, see my Arizona adventures, like through these Ocotillos. Look at these big old dudes. These are huge. Look how tall the Ocotillo is. It's way up there. The mountains back over there, that's Mexico. These are the red mountains over here. That's Mexico with the fog on top of the mountain. Cool, look, I'm gonna stop here and get a drink. I'll be right back. So check out these Ocotillos. Ocotillo's huge. Big old, look, you see the bike here. How tall them things are. Over here, this is a cholla. Some people call them a jumping cactus. We have these actually at in our yard. You don't want to get a hold of one of those. It's got some blooms right there. But these, if you can see those stickers on that thing, you ran off the road and getting one of those, that'd make a fun day. Some pretty cool flowers out here. And the flowers are everywhere right now. I see these blue ones too, because of all the monsoon rain, so everything blooms out, makes it beautiful. So I don't know what that is, but somebody can tell me in the comments below if they know. But this is desert broom, I believe, which you could actually use that for a broom. Take off a branch of it and sweep with it. but pretty cool. So we have lots of what's called mesquite. Yeah, you can make take the wood and make good smoking with it, like briskets, and this is mesquite. And yes, it has stickers on it too. You see there, the thorns. It's actually a tree. They get big. We got them in our yard. I mean, they make good shade trees. They're just got to get bigger. This one's kind of more of a bush than anything. You can see those mountains in Mexico. I hope you can see that. It's a long ways, but it looks further on the camera than it does in person. So yeah, I got my race tech suspension. Check out the foot pegs I was talking about. These are the Tusk. Them things are huge. Super traction on them. Billet aluminum. These are anodized black. You can get them in silver also. Love them. Love that suspension too. Okay, let's get back on the road. Take off in third gear, I guess. Oh, it feels wonderful out here today. 79 degrees and overcast, nice breeze. It is really nice. It feels cooler than 79. But that's what my watch says. 79. We are at 4,730 feet. This is like almost like asphalt. Packed so hard. Except for these bumps you have to hit once in a while where the monsoon rain washes across the road here over into the ditch and out. I actually think this suspension works better all around pretty much everything. Whoa, hope there ain't no cars coming. Golly, especially soaking that up. It did a good job of that. There wasn't no stop sign. That's actually the way I want to go, probably. Down that way, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, let's go back that way. Head back toward the mountains where it's raining. I might get a little wet, but maybe not. Get that come flying through there. If I'd have done that right there with the stock, I would have bottomed it hard. I mean, that would have been a smack on that stock suspension. So here we go. Get on that here. Headed toward the Huachuca Mountains. So we have Bob Thompson Peak, we have Montezuma Peak, we have Miller Peak, we have Carr Peak, we have Ramsey Peak, and then we have the Huachuca Peak over there. There's big old grasshoppers everywhere out here. Here's another ditch. Yeah. Super cool. It may not be raining on those mountains now. Not sure, but I'm gonna get back to the paved road here in a little bit, so I'll have to stop and air up with my AirMoto pump. There's the big ditch. It's crazy how good that does. So God bless you all. Glad to have you all along for the ride today. Basically, I had to get out and test the suspension of these foot pegs that I just added on here. That was my main goal today, and I did. And this is like the perfect day to do it because it's awesome weather. But I thank y'all for coming along. So check out the links in the description to everything. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. We will catch you guys in the next adventure. Right on. Who is this laying down here beside the road? I mean, is there not a better spot? Like over there where your water and grass is? Hello. How are you doing, lady? She's laying there relaxing. I mean, no need to do that except for when I come along. Now she's got to get up because she thinks I'm going to do something to her. Good looking cow. Right on, guys. Hey guys, just want to let you know if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg Gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.